Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful messy updo using just 4 braids. To start, I'm going to section off a piece of hair at the front of the head on both sides to frame the face, and then I'm going to gather up the crown section of the hair, and I'm just going to pull this to the back and do a regular 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom of the hair. Don't make this too tight, and then just secure it off at the end. Next, I'm going to go to the left hand side and take all of the hair from just behind the ear forwards. And again, I'm going to do a regular 3-strand braid, but make sure you angle this towards the back of the head as you're braiding it. And then repeat the same on the right hand side. So take all the hair from the ear forwards, angle it back and do another 3-strand braid. Then gather all the hair in your hands, including those braids, and split them into 3 equal sections. And we're just going to do one more braid at the nape of the neck all the way down to the bottom. Again, secure it off with an elastic band. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. Now, taking the end of that braid, I'm simply going to start rolling it up itself until you meet the nape of the neck. Then grab each side of the braid and start pulling it apart to make it more voluminous. Hold it to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. I always keep my bobby pins closed. Add some texture powder over the 3 remaining braids. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then we're really going to pinch and pull each braid apart. So pull from the sides and then also from the middle as well. And then just repeat it on the right hand side. And then lastly on the left hand side. Don't be afraid to really pull these apart. And then when you've got them where you want them to lay, just slip a bobby pin through various sections so they don't go baggy. This just helps you position the braid where you like it. So keep pinching and pulling and pinning the hair until you're happy with the messiness of the look. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.